Hey guys, welcome to yet another one. Welcome to my channel as usual. My name is Amaka. So I haven't been posting a lot because I have been busy, but at the same time, me not posting is like not showing off my presence on YouTube. So today I decided to talk about this one that I've been seeing that have been annoyingly paining me. Like it's not like annoyingly paining me, but it's just paining me. So I said, okay, let me talk about this. Um, I know for most of us, we're not given the proper, especially the ladies, we're not given a proper education on how to behave outside or how to clean up even after using the restroom. So I'm going to talk about that part of proper hygiene, or should I say how to clean up. Proper hygiene, yeah, is correct. Proper hygiene on how to take care of yourself when you finish peeing, when you want to go out as a lady. I feel like you need to learn this. Now, I'll first talk about the VPL, which is the visible panties line, like panty, the line. I don't understand why some people will wear trouser or top or a pants or tights or anything you want to use and go out, and you can see the line of your panties just showing all over. No, that is wrong now. We are no longer in the 90s, or we are now in the 21st century. You want to wear something that will just properly come out clean. Your trouser will not be as in showing off that okay, this one is actually wearing a panties or something. Every area of it has to be as in clear and clean, so that nobody will tell you, sister, see what you are wearing, or why is the panties of your line showing, even though all your panties are that way. I think there are some panties now they are doing, they call them condom panties or proper panties, or better still, I know you'll be saying okay, g-strings and thongs are wrong, but I just feel if you are wearing such panties, g-string and thongs, it doesn't show on the line of your clothes, your clothing you're wearing. I saw somebody wearing gown today, and believe me, the gown she wore was very attached to her body. Like it's not this bodycon gown that is so sticky to her body, and guess what, everything she wore was just showing. Both the panties, it's the panties that even struck me out, because I was with some guys and they were like, oh wow, see her nyash, like see her ass and everything. They were just looking at what she was wearing. They wasn't even focusing on what the lady was trying to tell them, rather they were just looking at her ass, and which is very wrong. I feel like if there's a way you can cover yourself out to not make somebody want to be tempted or want somebody to look at you in a very wrongful manner, we have to start addressing that part of your dressing. Please, you have to dress properly so that you'll be addressed. Then secondly, there's this thing I even noticed with ladies these days, that how will you enter a bathroom, you forget to clean up after using the bathroom. No, now it is wrong. There's a reason why there's tissue inside the bathroom. There's a reason why there is hand dryer inside the bathroom. There's a reason why there's tap inside the bathroom. After you use the bathroom, please, I beg you with almighty God, look at the kind of tissue you are going to use to clean up, because most of these tissue are very soft tissue, and it is not wise enough for you to use a very soft tissue, because at the end of the day, some of the particles of the tissue will stick to the vagina. We don't want that. So what I always advise is that always have your own tissue in hand, or in your bag, or your purse, or whatever. When you are done with the bathroom, just carry your tissue and wipe off your vagina. Now when we are saying wipe off, I did not say inside the vagina. No, don't quote me wrong. Wipe the walls, because if you don't wipe the walls of your vagina, you notice that small droplet of urine, like when I mean small urine, small urine, that when you finish peeing now, there's this small urine that tends to drop on the panties. When it drops, at the end of the day, it begins to smell. They might not notice it, but you as a person that just finished using the restroom, you will notice that there's this offensive odor that comes, because that urine is stick to the panties, and there's no way you can do it than to like just go with it. So I always advise ladies that when you are done with urinating in the toilet, carry little bit of tissue, clean up. And when you are cleaning up, please, I've seen this mistake up and down. Don't just clean from the ass to the vagina. No, it doesn't work that way, because if you do it that way, you are carrying some microorganisms from the ass to the vagina. No. And even though when you get to the hospital, they will always tell you, if you want to wipe your ass or if you want to wipe your vagina, you start from the vagina to the ass. That way, you know, the vagina is always an open area. It is prone to microorganisms and all those things. That way, you cannot introduce microorganism from the ass to the vagina. No, rather, the proper method, as in the proper method is to use tissue from the vagina to the ass. You guys get my drift, but medically that is how it's supposed to be. Next time, don't go to the bedroom and say, okay, you want to use the tissue, and the next thing you do is just wipe from ass to vagina. No, it doesn't work that way. Lie. No, it doesn't work that way. The proper method is from vagina to the ass. You guys get me? Yeah. Then the next one of my list I'm going to talk about is the washing of hands. Please, our hands tend to like go to different places, different areas, or different parts of our body, or table, or mouth, even our mouth. When you are done with your bathroom break or bathroom anything, I beg you with God, even as a lady, we used to keep, some people used to fix nails, some people have long nails. Always wash your fingers, wash your hands, because that same hands, if you use it and come out of the bedroom, you might be tempted, like when I mean tempted to put that hands in your mouth, or you are tempted to use it and touch your lips, or you are tempted to use it and touch your eyes. So it is not hygienic at all at all. Rather, if you don't want to wash your hands because they are cold, always have a sanitizer. Like, a sanitizer is one thing you have to have in your bag as a proper lady. That will help you make everywhere pure and clean again. Then you can use it and at least do whatever you want to do, as in your hands. So you can use your hands and do whatever you want to do with your hands. Now, the next one on my list is I'm going to be talking about is the appropriate way of standing. You cannot just stand as if you're a statue, for God's sake. You're a lady. Stand properly. It's either you're standing straight or you're leaning forward towards something. But you cannot stand as if you're in the park. The other day I was going with my senior boss, and he was like, how will somebody stand this way? Like, her legs were up, but her buttocks was somewhere else, her breast was another, like she was just protruding, and she was standing, and truly it was really a bad posture. It was not good in the eyes. So he was like, him as a person, if he sees somebody standing like that, especially a lady, is a turn off. That there's a way a lady is supposed to stand properly, cute. Like, it was just giving me proper thoughts, and I was like, oh wow. So this is not even common among ladies. Even men notice this too. He said yes, that it is the way she stands that will make him want to talk to her, or the way she stands. And we were just talking about it, and I was like, okay, no worry, I bring this to my video. So this is me bringing it to this video. Then the next on my list is, please, if you want to get up from your seat, please look at the behind of your clothes. Sometimes we as ladies will just, if we are not cleaning the chairs we are sitting on, we'll just put our butt on it. At the end of the day, when we are going out, we will not know that our butt is dirty, like it's having dirty on those clothes. Please, I beg you, take excuse, take whatever this, and go to the bathroom, look at the buttons of your clothes, because you might not know, you might be carrying dusty behind and be walking up and down. People these days, they don't want to tell because they want to mind their business. Other people will just use it and insult you, and you'll be innocently thinking, what did you do, what did you not do, what did you not write? Like, do you get? Please, before you go out or go anywhere, try and check the behind of your clothes. It's a necessity, whether you like it or not. Nobody wants to be around a dirty girl. Nobody wants to be around an untidy person. You understand? So please, when you want to go out, it's either you are just as in looking at the back of your clothes, especially the bottom side, or you ask somebody to look at it for you. You guys understand what I'm trying to say? Yeah. Then there's another one that I have more to talk about, but it's just that it's no longer coming to my head. But there's one I'm going to address now. If you want to sit down, especially we the ladies, because this video, I feel like this video is all about the ladies. Like, if I have some for men, I will still talk. If you want to sit down, the appropriate way is to just, as in, press your clothes and sit down. You don't want a situation whereby your whole clothes is opened while you are sitting down. No, and to now be revealing everything that you are supposed to keep for your partner or your husband to be. Like me, I used to call it letting not come and reveal my generation yet unborn. But the proper way to sit on a chair as a woman is to just press the clothes down and sit down properly. You can sit down in a very well mannered position without revealing much about you, without telling much about you. Sitting down properly makes you look classy, makes you feel relaxed, makes people, as it makes you be approachable to people. It's always appealing to the eyes when you sit down properly. And when you sit down properly, you don't want to be fidgeting or shaking up and down. No, just sit down properly, maintain where you're supposed to sit, and maintain eye contact to who you came for. I hope people are understanding me, because I see a lot of mistakes that we ladies do, especially this Gen Z generation that they are calling themselves. Yes, they do that, and in a very scattered manner. I don't understand though. But this is me. This is just coming from a place of opinion. I feel like if we can correct ourselves with love, then we can all make it with love. Yeah. Then there's this thing that is happening with, I'm seeing lately, that is not even agreeing with me. If you are into plain, because I feel like plain gives you this perception of being classy and neat, and makes you look appealing in the eyes. Don't mind me, I'm wearing stripe, yeah, but I'm wearing the stripe black, and also wearing a black pants trouser, like you guys can see. Because there's black here on my top and there's black on my trouser, so this is me trying to strike a balance between the clothes. But right now what I'm seeing, I don't know whether people are calling it color popping or whatever, but how will somebody be having a pink hair, should not be wearing a lemon color shirt, and now wear purple pants under? Who does that? You end up looking like a rainbow monkey, for God's sake. I'm sorry to say, but it's the truth. It's the truth. Okay, fine, color blocking is coming out this day, but do it appropriately. Do it in a very nice manner, in a clean manner, that will speak class, that will speak, oh, this one is very classy, or this one is as a shahed day. Why will you want to go and wear purple, wear lemon, and all of them are bright colors, when you can use there's universal colors are there. We have the likes of white, we have brown, we have nudes, we have I've mentioned black now, black, white, brown, nudes. Those colors that actually they tone down clothes, they tone down your clothes. Please, if you happen to have all those bright colored clothes, I don't say you should not wear your clothes though. You wear your clothes, but please let there be a balance. Let there be a balance to it, a very good balance. They should tone them down. Nobody wants to be seeing rainbow monkey. Color blocking is coming, but please use your head and do the color blocking. You don't want anything that will be shouted, that will scream out tramp from afar. I'm sorry, but this is how I feel. I think this is my video. I'm entitled to do whatever I want to do, but please, this is how I see it. Yeah. Then the next on my list I'm going to talk about is, oh god, why is this thing going out of my head? I can't remember anymore. Ooh, I can't remember anymore. But I think with this I should be done, or I should come back when I still have more. Guys, tell me what you think about this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching. I love you for watching, and please don't make this video your last video. I have more videos down there. Please subscribe to the channel, and also click on the notification link, because every time I upload a video, there will be a link that will be showing on your screen. And guys, yeah, I forgot this. I'm getting married very soon, so I'm going to be bringing out videos on the marriage, the things I learned from marriage, and how I'm preparing my wedding, and how to do a low budget wedding, like things that are not needed, especially in this hard time. You have to learn how to do a low budget wedding. I'm going to tell you things on how to cut down things that you don't actually need for a wedding. You guys understand. I'm going to also tell you lessons, literally a week to my wedding, my best friend is telling me she can't be my chief bridesmaid. So you guys just hold on and I'll bring more video. So if this is your first time of watching, thank you for watching. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you for watching. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.